Hi viewers, in this video I will show you how to translate a message in Telegram. So let's get started. At first, open your Telegram app and follow my step by step properly. Now chat option, tap on translation option not showing. Go back, tap on three line option and tap on settings. Now click here. Scroll down, tap on language option and tap on show translate button turn on. By doing this process, you can easily translate a message in Telegram. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us.